Viewers, today I'm going to install a wall cable connection, and I have already removed the panel here. The panel screws are removed, and I have cut the cable, and now I'm going to install this connector. This is a quick connector. I can turn it by hand, and once I turn it, it's good enough, and the length of the cable, inside cable, is also I have cut it to the size. So next thing is I'm going to install this gold plated connection. I'll install it with a washer at the back here and a nut and the check nut. Once I install it, just make sure you don't over tight it, but I'll snug it by hand, and I will just tighten it a little bit like this, not too much. And since I have tightened this one, if you want to tighten more, you can use a pair of pliers. Tighten it a little bit, not too much. It should not slip out. Now I'm connecting this cable here, and this wall cable, check nut, I'm tightening it. You can tighten it by hand, turn it by hand, but since I have started it by hand, so I can turn it like this, clockwise. Make sure the cable doesn't rotate with you when you're turning. So hold the cable, hold like this, and also when you're tightening, this cable should not come loose. Okay, now we have made this connection. This is very easy. You don't have to call anybody to do it. So you can, if you want to turn it, you can tighten this way as well, which I did. But I will give a final tweak here, final turn. That's it. So it's so easy to install a wall mounted cable. So make sure you have enough room at the back so your cable can be placed properly behind. So, and it should not be fighting with the extra cable what we have at the back. I'll double check the tightness, and there we go. So I double check the tightness here, connection and everything. So now I'll push it back. As I push it back, so once again check it. It's not looking awkward. Then use 2 screws. To install this panel. But make sure that both screws get started at the same time. If you do one, if you tighten one and try to tighten the second one, it may not be squarely tightened. So let's see. I'll just try to turn it, turn this one, the top one, upper one, and do the bottom one. And you really don't need a handyman or technician to call. do this cable. So I think I will start. Yeah, there was a little bit of hiccup here, which we did. We overcome with this hiccup. अब देखें, now you see that yes, and slowly tighten it. Looks like I'm sweating. Use a proper screwdriver. I'm using a Robertson because this is a tip is Robertson tip. Once you use the proper screwdrivers, it will not fail. And don't over tighten because this panel is plastic. It can break. And this installation is complete. I hope you like my video.